Happy birthday to you.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patwa Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In today's video, I will be answering a question that was asked by a follower on Instagram. And guys, Instagram is also a very good place. You can ask me questions in the DMs. You can just follow me at shans_patwa_academy. And so you can follow me over there. And if you have questions, you can ask me over there. You can ask me in the comment section here as well. I tried to get to all of them, but I got this question. It was about birthdays. So first, let me just say that in Jamaica, I think we do birthdays the same with the cakes and the, people getting presents and stuff like that. We don't really have a special birthday traditions or unique to Jamaica. Traditions that are unique to Jamaica, I don't think we have. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know everything about all of Jamaica, but if there's a Jamaican watching this and we have specific birthday celebrations or something that's unique to Jamaica, please let me know. I know for birthdays we have cakes, we sing songs, we have a little party, stuff like that. We usually say happy birthday in English. We just usually say happy birthday. Or if you want to say happy birthday in English with a Jamaican Patwa accent, you can say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Some people say earth strong. Big up yourself on the earth strong. Bless on the earth strong. Yeah, earth strong. People say that too, but generally we say happy birthday. We also usually sing the happy birthday song, the happy birthday to you, that song. However, there is a song that I think might be uniquely Jamaican, and that song is what I'll teach you in this video today, the Jamaican happy birthday song, because it's the only thing uniquely Jamaican, I think, that we really do. And like I said, correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. First, if you have a name with 3 syllables, this will work. So like Melissa. Or if you have a name with 2 syllables, you can add dear in front of it. Like if your name is Kerry, you can say dear Kerry. Because you need 3. Dun, dun, dun. You need 3. You're filling a 3-syllable space. And if you have 1-syllable name, you can add dear and then break your name in half. Like dear John, if it's Shan, dear Shaan. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. You can say happy birthday in English or happy birthday English with a Jamaican accent. So I'm going to sing the song in English with a Jamaican accent. Guys, I am not known for my singing, okay? But because it's a song, I have to do this. I regret it already, but here goes. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, dear Carrie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Melissa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Shaan. Happy birthday. Woo, child. I'll be up on YouTube singing. Okay, so that is the traditional, I think, Jamaican birthday song. So, do you know how to introduce yourself in Jamaican Patwa? Do you know to ask, where do you live? Do you know how to answer, where do you live? If not, please check out those videos and so much more on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patwa vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.